appreciate your support for this channel, the love that you keep showing for this channel, and for you being part of this family. This video is to appreciate you, and at the end of this video I'm going to give away a pack for graphic designers. All right, so let's jump into it. Alright, so I want to thank you so much for being part of this family. Starting all the way from August 2020, it wasn't an easy journey, but you've been with us and you keep showing love and support for this channel. It has really pushed us to put in more effort to bring you the best in the field of smartphone graphic designing. And today we've been able to reach 1,000 subscribers, and we are very much grateful unto you for making this a reality. All right, so at the end of this video you are going to have access to these fonts and other design elements. All right, you are going to have access to these fonts and you install them on your PIXELLAB. You can use them anywhere. All right, so stay tuned to the end of this video. Installing fonts on PIXELLAB has a very simple way that I'll show you. Alright, so let's go into that quickly. So here is the list of the fonts that you'll be having access to right after this video. And note, I'll post these fonts in our Telegram channel, whereby you can have access to it at any time you want. Alright, so just go ahead and check the link in the video description and you'll be able to join the channel and download the fonts. So quickly, let me show you how to install the fonts on your PIXELLAB. Alright, so first off, you have to download the app called Zarchiver. Alright, you have to download this app, Zarchiver. So you have to open the app Zarchiver. Alright, so once you open it, you go to the folder in which you downloaded a zip file. In your case, it will be Telegram because the file will be sent to the Telegram channel. But currently, the file is here as a zipped one. So on my storage, I have it over here, a Designer's Pack by SERENE Art. So I've made it in a zip format whereby you can just go ahead and extract it and have access to the files. Alright, so to extract it, just tap on it and click on extract here, then you'll be able to have access to it. All right, for me, I already have the file on my phone, so if I extract it right now, it will replace the old one. All right, so let me just go ahead and do that quickly for you to see. After extracting the file, come back to your PIXELLAB and enter any text at all and click on fonts, and after that you import the file into your PIXELLAB successfully. Alright, so first of all here, so I've removed those fonts and I'm going to import the one that we just extracted. Alright, so what I have to do is to click on the folder like icon at the top here. Then you locate the folder in which you extracted your file. So in my case, I have them in fonts, in a folder named fonts. Alright, so I have a subfolder here named fonts, and after locating the font, like the fonts in a folder like this, just click on add directory. Alright, click over here, add directory, and everything will be added successfully. Alright, so here we have it back again, and that's how it is. Alright, and please note the folder we just extracted contains design elements as well. So let's go to it. So we have Designers Pack by SERENE, and that's the folder we extracted. So we have design elements over here that you can use, and we also have icons, several of them that you can use in your designing for this channel. And this is not the end. We are going to do a lot of massive things coming 2021. A lot of projects are underway, and this is going to be a win-win for us on this channel. So stay tuned to this channel, share this video with others, and invite others to this channel.